Hello. In this video, we'll explain about requests, and we make requests using words like can, could, may and would, which are all modal verbs or modal auxiliary verbs. Let me explain. When asking someone for something, we use can I have, could I have, or may I have. For example, can I have another spoon, please? Could I have the pepper, please? May I have fish and chips, please? May is more formal than can or could. But please note that can, could, may I have are all possible in each of these examples. So we could say, could I have another spoon? May I have the pepper? Or can I have fish and chips? They are interchangeable, and all variations are possible in these examples. When asking permission to do something, we use can, could, or may. So we say, hello Emily, can I check your address list, please? Yes, you may. She's giving her permission for us to check. Could I borrow a pen? Yes, help yourself. Good morning. May I leave a message for Mrs. Smith, please? Of course. When asking permission to do something, we often say, is it okay if, or do you mind if? Hello Emily, is it okay if I borrow your red dress on Friday evening? Yes, no problem. Or we can say, do you mind if I invite Sam and Jill to your party? No, good idea. So here we're asking permission to do something. We use can or could, but not may, to ask people to do things. For example, can you give this homework to James, please? Or we can say, could you give this homework to James, please? The meaning is identical. We are simply asking someone to do something for us. Excuse me, could you tell me the way to the train station from here? Pauline, can you give these keys to Emma for me? In the last two examples, we could have used can instead of could, or could instead of can. But the meaning is the same, because with either word we are asking people to do something. We say, do you think you could? But we don't say, do you think you can? So we would ask, do you think you could help me put all of these back on the shelves? Do you think Josh could let me have a copy of his presentation? Oh, probably. To invite someone to something or to offer something to someone, we use, would you like something to drink? Oh yes, please. May I have some juice? Would you like to order any bread with your salad? Yes, I'd like white bread, please. I'd like is the polite way to tell someone what you want. Would you like to visit the castle next? Oh yes, good idea. We use can I and may I to offer to do things. So we say, can I give you some advice about this machine? Oh yes, please, I don't want to do anything wrong. Or we may say, may I bring you anything else? Just the bill, please. So in summary, can I or may I order a pot of tea please means we're asking someone for something. In this case, we're asking for a pot of tea. Could I pay the bill now, or would you like something else? Here we're asking permission to pay the bill now, but we're being very polite, asking if they'd like something else first, before we pay. Would you like to go inside for a hot drink? Here we're inviting someone to do something. In this video, we talked about making requests using can, could, may, or would. Thank you.